Before you try to fix this yourself, making sure do a lot of homework, watch multiple videos, so you can understand how much work it is involved. Some people are just doing it very glance over really fast that makes you think it's much easier than it is, but it's pretty intense, a lot of moving parts, taking apart a lot of things to able to get to the brake actuator itself. So just be aware that the parts also cost a lot of money, and I have tried to search on eBay to see if there's any way I can save some money, but um, I saw that the average price is around $400 to $600, and some of them doesn't have any warranty, and some of them only warranty for a month, and it's just so iffy. So I decided that I'm gonna go with a brand new part instead, and the dealership usually charge for this kind of job, it's about $2,500 to $3,000, and my car is very old, so I'm debating on get it, spend that much of money on dealership. So I go ahead and make an attempt with my friend help, to see if we can able to do this ourselves, and we finally pulled through.
Novice, if you don't know which way to loosen
Yeah,
or
yeah,
tighten,
that's
so
fine.
you're gonna have to edit the video.
Yes.
If you really want some views, you would put on like a
This part is pretty straightforward. It's just all the circle that you see is all the little disconnection and bolts that you need to remove, and it's not really complicating at all. This is very easy. Some of the connector is very challenging because it's been around for like 15 years and it have not been removed, so it's very hard. So I need Tom to helping me out with removing some of the connections. Some of the connectors are very hard to remove because they stuck together very hard, but some of them are easier than other, but that's the time consuming one.
these are 10mm bolts. I think they're 10mm. Baggy for
Right here.
Oh,
There's a bolt.
yeah.
Okay,
got
it. On the top?
It's gonna be all week to fix this.
Huh?
It's not gonna take. It's gonna take like a few days over time.
Yeah.
So it's a multi-phase job. Here we go.
Moment of truth.
Mama's coming out,
Yeah.
baby. Yeah.
Yeah.
This valve is a bitch and a half. Don't ever ask me to do this again, okay? Don't break your actuator. You know what?
What? There is a bolt that hold the brake actuator that is all the way in the back of the brake actuator. You won't able to see it, but you need extension to able to reach all the way to the back. Please be careful with the brake line so you won't bend it, or it's very difficult to put it back. So the actuator is actually putting in, we reverse engineer, put everything together, turn on the car, and there's tons of code shows up, and we have the holy shit moment. And so we just like panic, and we starting to check around for what's the code means. So I went on YouTube and looking for codes and that is relating to this, and find out that this very simple thing that we make a mistake to putting it in, and we forgot to pushing down on this hybrid battery, the connector right there. He was showing you right now. Just make sure when you close it, push it down like that. This is just to remind you guys, the next few seconds you're going to receive an instruction how to bleed the brake. Please follow it carefully to prevent air bubble to introduce back into your system. That won't be good, and it's very, very important. Please follow instruction.